Hello, how are you all? As we have continued with our conjunctions, last time in our last video, I have sent you coordination conjunction. Now the another part of conjunction. Conjunction means to join something. To join a letter? No. To join a word, a sentence, meaningful sentence. To make a meaningful sentence. Phrases, clause, etc. So conjunction is needed in every way. As per my last session, some of the students told sir where to use but, where to use because. These are some so where to use of, if. So there was too much of confusion regarding this thing. Now let us go further and have something, some another part of conjunction, that is subordinating conjunction. Subordinate. You all need subordination. Means if you are there, you need a friend. If you are there, you need a family. You need a help of your father, either you are close with him, or your mother, your sister, your brother. We all need subordinations. We all need. So for a particular sentence, there is needed a subordinating clause. Let us go through an example. What is subordinating conjunction? Here, I read the paper because it's interesting. I read the paper. Yeah, I read the book. I read whatever you like. Because this is the conjunction we can say. Karan diya. Because it interests. Now, what is the subordinating set in this sentence? This one. This one is subordinate. I read the paper. Q, why? No answer. I read the paper because it interests. मुझे इंटरेस्ट लगता है पेपर रीड करने में, बुक रीड करने में, FB यूज करने में, व्हाट्सएप, इंस्टाग्राम, whatever you are using. Why? Because there is an interest regarding that. So this one is a clause. This one is a subordinating clause to this thing. It depends. Here I have written in short. It depends to this. I read the paper because it interests me. Because it interests me is a subordinating clause to the other clause. This also we can say this is also a clause. I read the paper. Q, why, where, why, nothing is here. Time is not given. When I am reading, nothing is there. So it is a clause, you understood that. So you will get the idea of clause, the name CLAUSE. You are in confusion with that. So this one, these two are the clause and are joined by because. This is the subordinating conjunction. Understood? Let us have definition. A subordinating conjunction joins a clause to another on which it depends for its full meaning. See, it is written clearly. A subordinating conjunction joins a clause to another on which it depends for its full meaning. If you will read twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, definitely you will get the idea. What does a subordinating conjunction is? Yeah, what it is, what it works also you will get by the definition. Let's see what are there. Which subordinating conjunction that we are using in our daily life. So as I told earlier that after going through noun and pronoun, I went to conjunctions. Most probably teachers are going through verbs, then adverbs, yeah, adjective, then adverbs. It will confuse you. If you don't know how to join a sentence, how you will go for verbs and this all things. So I have to conjunction. So I am teaching you conjunction which are there after, because, if, that, though, although, till, before. unless, as, when, where, why. Many questions are regarding these words. Most probably with this one. This, sometimes this we can use. These are the question words. These are conjunction. When is your birthday? For what when stands here? It is giving a time. It stands for a noun. It stands for a pronoun. Go through the earlier videos. I have indicated this thing. It stands for pronoun. That, where, a place. It stands for pronoun. While we can use in both the ways, as conjunction, as question words, many things. You can use this as a question words also. Then there is a too much difficulty, confusion regarding each and every student. Though studying from 1 to 8 standard, you are not in a clear concept of though and although. This I have gone through you all in your 8th standard, but I am thinking that still that is needed something, because the concept of though although has not been clear. How, where to use because and where to use so, it consists of we can say doubt, confusion we can say. So let us go with some example, you might understand. After is conjunction over here. Which conjunction? Subordinating conjunction. Why we have used after and what to use? After the shower was over, the sun shone out. After the shower was over, the sun shone out again. Here, shone out again. After the shower was over, the sun shone out again. Which form of this thing is that? When we write shone out, then we can see, seen, shown also. This word is new for you. It's past participle of seen. Understand this. This is the past participle of seen. Then we are going. So we are having a new form. Our new verb came in your mind. Shone out again means after the shower. It's a new English, I think so. After rain we can say. You know, showering and raining both are in difficult way. Different way. Showering means slowly, constantly we are having little of rain. We feel that it's raining. So tiny drops, we can say tiny than meadows also. So after the shower was over means after the raining was over, the sun shone out again. Then sun came again. We can see the sun. The sun shone out. Dikhai diya. In Hindi we can say. See, new English day by day you will get little bit, but this you have to use in your daily routine. Number 2. So we got after the subordinating conjunction. Now a book, although there is nothing in it. I know you will not get this sentence. A book is a book. A book, we can say book is a book, although there is nothing in it. एक किताब है, एक set of papers we are going to see that we call book या चौपड़ा in your language. Whole scale is a book. Either उसमें कुछ भी नहीं, बकवास चीज़ है, मगर उसको क्या देखेंगे हम? बुक की तरह ही देखेंगे. Although is there. Now you can see, you cannot write though. If you want to use though, what you have to write? A book is a book, though it is in my hand. you want to write do that. So a book is a book, ये books है, is a book although there is nothing in it, कुछ भी नहीं है मगर बुक है. ये मार्कर है, इंक नहीं है, बट मेरे हाथ में है तो मार्कर. आप देखोगे सर के हाथ में मार्कर. So we are using although. Understand it properly. So we are using although. Next sentence. He ran away because he was afraid. कारण because we are using. क्यों भागा भाई? डर गया. भूत भूत चुड़ैल उड़ैल देख. He ran away after seeing the witches we can see. So he ran away because perfect कारण आपको दिखाना है. Perfect reason if you want to say. Then you are indicating the subordinating conjunction, that is because. Now answer the first question. Answer the first question before you proceed. Before is using, you can use before. Before you proceed, answer this question just like that. Tell them that I will come. उनको बोलो के that I will come. He finished first though he began late. उसने लेट शुरू किया पर जल्दी फिनिश. He finished first though he began late. Will you wait till I return? Till is also a subordinating conjunction. But for that we have to use this question. Then he found his watch where he had left it. Where here becomes conjunction. If you want to make only a where as a pronoun, then where he had left the watch, you can write it, the question marks, the watch. If you want to make question, then he will not pay unless he is compelled. New word for me. Unless he is compelled. वो नहीं पे करेगा जब तक उसके सामने आप नहीं बोलेंगे कि भाई पे करना ही पड़ेगा. Compel means to make someone to do something forcefully. जैसे आप दादागिरी करते हो, भाई दे वरना मारूंगा. Means he will not pay. दादागिरी नहीं करोगे. एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ, जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल. Unless he is compelled, भाई देना ही पड़ेगा. Then make hay while the sun shine. A new word. Hay. Make hay while the sun shine. जब तक सूरज सुबह है करना. है means to take the grains. जब आप सुबह में ग्रेन्स लेते हो, सनशाइन होती है, तब आप मेक है ग्रेन्स ले लो जब सूरज वाई. जब अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग. आई नो नॉट वाई ही लेफ्ट अस. आई नो मुझे पता नहीं. वॉट वाई ही लेफ्ट अस. इट कैन बी यूज इन द क्वेश्चंस. Try more and more sentences regarding this. Make some sentences of your own. If you want corrections, send it to me. You all get my numbers. Thank you very much.